Hari ithurano inya cia wodi itiganite iria iratabanirio muthenya wa ira ITURIINI itiganite cia bururi. Kiama kia UDA kiraiyukirie UHOTANI ithurano-ini icio ciothe na thengia wa ung'ethaniri munene uria maratungirio ni ciama itiganite cia kiuteti irio nacio irahuranagira itura icio. Hari ithurano inya cia wodi itiganite iria iratabanirio muthenya wa ira ITURIINI itiganite cia bururi. Kiama kia UDA kiraiyukirie UHOTANI ithurano-ini icio ciothe na thengia wa ung'ethaniri munene uria maratungirio ni ciama itiganite cia kiuteti irio nacio irari na huraniri ya itura icio.
This clean sweep across the board in all elective seats on offer stands as a powerful testimony of immense trust Kenyans continue to repose in the UDA party, its party leader, his deputy, and his deputy.
Kaunti-ini ya Embu Peterson Njeru wa kiama kia UDA no araiyukirie UHOTANI na gutuika MCA mweru wa wodi ya Mumiji. Duncan Murati araiyukia UHOTANI na gutuika MCA mweru wa wodi ya Evurore. Riri Tubi Mohamed araiyukirie UHOTANI wa githurano kinini kia Isiolo South nake Elfas Kainaga araiyukia UHOTANI wodi ya West Kabras County ya Kakamega.
In November I was here again. We scored 17 out of 24 victories as the broad-based. Today, 4 out of 4. Lakini munakaa kwa social media mukijiambia iko kitu nyingine.
Ira kurari na by-election irathia na mbere. Kundu gwitwo Embu, kundu gwitwo Isiolo, kundu gwitwo Kakamega or the part of Western. Na ciothe across the board irakuirwo ni kiama kia UDA. So we are telling them, watulie, mahorere, tumafange, na tumonie siasa cia 2027.
Their unassailable triumph is an indisputable show of confidence that the people of Kenya have in the stewardship of President William Ruto and the Kenya Kwanza administration in steering our great nation from a third world economic status to a first world economy within a generation.
Nikumana na UHOTANI uyu atongoria kiama-ini kia UDA mautugiritie ta gukorwo tumite ndumiriri numu kuri ang'ethaniria wa kiuteti ta gukorwo ni mehariirie wega gukaiyukia UHOTANI githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka ukite na uguo ni handu-ini hao mambiririe gwibanga guthie na mbere guikara mwena wa mung'ethaniro.
The Kenyan message emerging from the just concluded by-elections speaks unmistakably to the growing public faith in the implementation of the manifesto, the plan, and the party leaders' transformational agenda aimed at uplifting Kenya from the third world status to first world prosperity, the Singapore-style development trajectory.
Ni ugio huritwo njeki-ini gikundi kia bunge kuma gitaro-ini gia gatagati wa bururi aria matabanirie giikaro kia na ihenya niguo kumurika na gukungwira UHOTANI uyu makiuga gaka no kamweneni ka uria maundu makahanika mwaka ukite githurano-ini.
Is a confirmation that the UDA party led by our president Dr. William Samoei Ruto and the deputy party leader Professor Kithure Kindiki is a national party with deep grassroots presence and a solid structure that anchors the implementation of equitable development across the country.
Iguru rio atongoria ni mokiriire mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni kiria maugite wira wao ukoretwo ari kuhunjia ndeto cia rumena na kuhurithania muingi wa bururi na mithingi ya kinduriri handu-ini ha kurongoreria kunyitithania Kenya na kwimathira ngumo ya kiuteti mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite.
Wakenya wameona na kila siku na nyinyi mnajua hii election ilikuwa President William Ruto ameprophesize 3 million margin, vile mambo inaenda ni 5.
You don't have any questions, we have given.
Gerivotera Kameme TV Jisago Moura Wagunya.